Public speaking question of the day. This comes from one of my students on the Udemy online platform. It says, Dear TJ, I'm an HR professional with 9 years experience in people management, coming with an intense exposure into human resources and talent consulting. I'm sometimes baffled to pursue my passion, which I have for training. The question which keeps coming to me is, when is the best time to start training or getting into the field? Does a rich amount of industry exposure count to become a trainer? Thanks, and looking forward to learning. Well, Julian, thanks for writing in the question. The first question, when is the best time to start? I would say right now. I mean, it sounds obvious, but every single day that goes by, someone else can be surpassing you, someone else can be learning, someone else can be pitching themselves as a trainer, someone else can be creating new content for their blog, their YouTube, their Facebook page. So if you're interested in training, why wait? Your next question, does having a lot of industry exposure help? It certainly helps. It doesn't hurt. But I've seen people be in an industry for 35 years and they never got hired one day for even $200 to do a training in their niche. I've seen other people sort of dive in, get interested in the subject, go to, spend $9 on Kindle Unlimited, read every book on the subject in a month, and start selling their services as a trainer. So you've got to dive in, you've got to come up with your core expertise, and let's not wait any longer. Thanks for writing.